And now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 1725 on Tuesday the 30th of January. There are warnings of gales in Viking, at north at Sierra, south at Sierra, Forties, Cromarty, Forth, Tyne, Dogger, Fisher, German Bight, Humber, Irish Sea, Shannon, Rockall, Malin, Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle, Faroes and southeast Iceland. The general synopsis at midday. New low expected 100 miles north of Faroes, 951 by midday tomorrow. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking, southwest 4 to 6, increasing 7 to severe gale 9, occasionally storm 10 later, veering west later, rain later, good, becoming moderate or poor later. North at Sierra, south at Sierra. Cyclonic 3 to 5, becoming southerly or southwesterly 5 to 7, increasing 7 to severe gale 9 later. Rain later, good, becoming moderate or poor later. Forties, Cromarty, Forth. West 4 to 6, backing southwest 7 to severe gale 9, occasionally storm 10 later in Cromarty. Occasional rain later, good, occasionally poor later. Tyne, Dogger, Fisher, German Bight, Humber. West or northwest, backing southwest 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8 later, occasionally severe gale 9 later in Fisher, occasional rain later, good, occasionally poor later. Thames, Dover, White, Portland, Plymouth. Variable, becoming southwest 2 to 4, increasing 4 to 6 later, occasional drizzle later, good, occasionally poor later. Biscay, Fitzroy. Variable 2 to 4, fog patches later, moderate or good, occasionally very poor later. Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet. Variable 2 to 4, becoming southwest 4 to 6, occasionally 7 later, fair, good. Irish Sea, Shannon. Southwest 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 later. Showers, rain later, good, occasionally poor later. Rockall, Malin. Southwest, veering west later, 7 to severe gale 9, increasing storm 10 for a time. Rain or showers, moderate or poor. Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle, Faroes. Southwest 7 to severe gale 9, becoming cyclonic gale 8 to storm 10, then west severe gale 9 to violent storm 11 later. Rain or showers becoming wintry later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Southeast Iceland. Southwesterly 6 to gale 8, becoming cyclonic 3 to 5, then westerly or northwesterly severe gale 9 to violent storm 11 later. Rain or squally wintry showers, moderate or poor. And that completes the shipping forecast here on BBC Radio 4 Longwave. And just a reminder, due to essential engineering work, the next shipping forecast at 0048 or 12 minutes to 1 will be unavailable to some longwave listeners in Scotland. And now the general weather forecast. Tonight, much of England and Wales will be dry, clear and cold, although East Anglia and some southern counties of England will continue to see rather misty and murky skies. Scotland and Northern Ireland will see increasingly cloudy skies and strengthening winds, with heavy rain reaching northwest Scotland. Tomorrow, much of the northern half of the UK will see heavy rain and very strong winds, whereas the south of the UK will be drier but breezy, with increasingly cloudy skies and some patchy drizzle in places. Thursday will be rather dry for most, with spells of hazy sunshine, but cloud thickening in the north, with some persistent rain in northern Scotland. Cloudy, murky and mild for most on Friday, with spells of rain in the northwest.